to help our school, it feels good. And have the first time get a Miyawaki Forest in Monterey County, it feels good. And it was so fun because they actually helped us.
I'm Jeanette Leonidu. I'm the president of Communities with Sustainable Monterey County. It is a method of planting forests created by Dr. Miyawaki in the 70s in Japan. He realized if you plant canopy trees, in Monterey it's going to be like oaks and pines. If you plant them really close together, like 3 per square meter, with other plants understory, like native shrubs, what happens is they compete for the light above and the water below, and they grow about 10 times faster than a normal old growth forest. They use 66% less water because their roots go deep. It's about 100 times more biodiversity than, say, regular, like certainly a lawn or something like that. Lower maintenance after about 2.5 years, no maintenance and no water. So it's a great way to green small spaces in the middle of a city, in the middle of a school. And you can do so much with curriculum. We've already done that at this school. They've done soil testing. We've used it to teach them biodiversity. We've used them to do art where they've drawn things about the Miyawaki Forest. And the kids have already helped prepare the soil. They're excited. They say, I want to plant one that has yellow flowers. I love trees. We're going to have a forest. And everyone is really loving it. And the community, we've got outside volunteers, about 20 of them. We have the teachers, and then we have the kids and the kids' families. So it's just bringing everyone together.
Bees, butterflies, and birds. Because I love planting. Because I love helping the plants.
I like nature. I like exploring nature. The trees are beautiful, by the way, too.